Okay. So ito yung aking KTM RC390 2015 model. Ayan siya. Well, nilabas ko na kasi mag-spring na next week. And I like riding in springtime dahil hindi masyadong mainit, hindi masyadong malamig. We're right here. Tapon natin ng mga garbage. Yes, Belle? So they're gonna ask a random question like if we have paint, TV, you know, stuff like that. So, okay. Ito card natin. Ano, kung magkano babayaran. Yan, so papasok doon. Hindi tatapon yung mga garbage. Baho lang, baho. Oh. Ano pala yun? Okay, they call us. Let's go. May mga tapon na. Ito ng garbage over here. So, mga tapon. Wow. Baho lang. Uwi na kami at medyo nakangami na dito dahil baho. Pumasok yung amoy. Alright guys, see you later. Bye bye. Mix. Where's Bella? Where's Bella? Right there. Belle? Ano gawa mo dyan? Belle? Hide and seek daw si Bella. Hide ka na, hide and seek. Nasa loob ng pilo. Uy, Belle! Sit-ups. Three and four. O hindi mo kailangan basta kapag meron na ano yung core mo, kapag may resistance. Lagyan mo sa balikat mo yung kamay mo. Kali left and right. Cross. Yan. Pwede mo kailan. Ganun. Whoops! Anong gawa mo, Mickey? Morning, Mommy. Coffee time. Kumakalabit. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Ano gusto? Kabibigay ko lang ng treat. You go pupo na. Today is Wednesday, March 15. 15 ba yun, Mommy? Okay, yeah. Sabi sa news, most of the day is gonna be rainy. Okay. Good morning, Mickey. Say good morning. Gonna take a bath today, alright? Take a shower. Ligo ka mamaya, ha? Take a shower. Shh, Mickey. Anong ginagawa mo dito? What are you doing here by yourself? Where's ate? Where's mommy? Okay, andito ako sa Dick's Sporting Goods. Was trying to buy some, I'm looking for a reversible jersey. Oh, $149. a good chair. Ito mga plate oh, ayan oh. 5 pounds is like $5. So parang lumalabas every pound is $1. Like this one, 10 pounds right here, it's $9.99. Bili kaya ako. And this one that I need that one, I need this one. 79 na lang oh. Wow. Okay. So ito yung mga jersey lang nila, pero ano lang to eh, mga practice or training jersey. So ito mga shorts nila. Medium. Actually I'm a medium size. Galing ako dyan sa Dick's Sporting Goods. Okay guys, I just parked here at Ross. And yeah, wow, it's a nice day. It's really nice. Okay, I'm here at Ross, and our first stop, I spotted this jersey right here. NBA jersey, it's right size to medium. So I'm gonna get this, and wala siyang number, but I guess I'm gonna buy iron on jersey number on eBay or Amazon for about $2, and this is only $8. So regular is 16, so not bad. I'm gonna get this. Wow, jackpot. Meron naman ako nakita na other cool stuff right there. And along with Batman. Very cool, huh? Ito gusto ko eh, pero I'm not sure kung kukunin ko. It's only $8, pero I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna get this one. And yep. And so ito yung gustong mirror ni Christine, $49 I think. So that's a big enough para sa bedroom namin. And there's a smaller one right here. It's also $49, pero oh no, I think it's the same size.
Not right now, but all through the summer.
So I'm here at the what you call it, house decoration sections, chairs, artificial plants, stuff like that. So yan siya. It's pretty cool. Palitan natin yung IKEA doon. So ito dalawa sa sides, plus ito sa may gilid, or this one. Ito leather. Dami. Yeah, we have to update. Magkano to? $99. Regular niya $200, half the price. So one, it's leather. So mas kailangan namin to kasi sa jersey ko, marami naman akong jersey. So guys, good morning. So medyo hindi ko na-anticipate may gumagamit pala ng basketball gym right now. So maghihintay ako na about 30 minutes. Well, pwede naman ako magbuhat, go straight to the lifting area or mag-cardio muna ako. Pero I decided to stay here muna and wala lang kasi kanina nagdadrive ako. I'm just like talking to myself na maganda, yung situation namin ngayon sa buhay in life. Kasi na-receive na namin yung ganito yan. 7 years ago, 7 years ago, we worked in adult family home. Since then, we came here in US. It's really hard, very difficult. And to make story short, lahat ng pinagdaanan namin ngayon, we carry all the way from here. Learning experience, how to talk, how to handle people, how to take care of others. Minsan nakakalimutan na namin yung sarili namin. And ngayon ko nare-realize yung mga bagay na ito dahil pwede pala namin gawin noon pa. Or bakit ngayon lang namin ginawa. Well, I believe God's plan dahil based sa lahat na nangyayari ngayon, hindi namin magagawa ito kung hindi namin napagdaanan ni Christine kung ano yung napagdaanan namin, just like God provide these things, all of this, just to prepare ourselves in this situation. Now, I feel so blessed dahil not only na magkakaroon na kami finally, sarili namin yung business. It's not about the financial thing. It's not about the money, the income. Blessed and happy kami dahil magkasama kami every single day. Day passes by, na nagagawa namin yung lumabas like for example ngayon andito ako sa YMCA to play basketball and I've been doing this for a while. 3 times a week akong nag-gym, lumalabas, same thing with Christine. Pwede namin gawin yun na hindi kami pressured dahil hindi namin iniisip, because we've been having a boss for 7 years. So ngayon parang I feel blessed and thankful to God dahil noon pa naman kine-claim na namin na mangyayari to. Since day one sinasabi namin na magkakaroon din tayo, help other people. Kasi nasa line din naman kami ng healthcare. We graduated bachelor science in nursing back in the Philippines. And we don't have the license here in US kasi hindi kami focused before because we've been working every single day and it's really hard for us to study. So ngayon, we resend the application and meron kaming time to study, focus things kung anong gusto namin gawin. In time, darating din yun. Pero ngayon, siguro ito. Kasi ako, more on business side naman talaga ako eh. I took nursing dahil yun ang sabi nila in demand way back 2005, 7, 8. And well, thankful din ako dahil nakagraduate ako with the help of my family, of course, and Christine is a very big factor helping me to focus on my studies dahil back then magulo ang path ko eh. Through experience, totoo yung sinasabi ng mga magulang natin na you're still young, bata ka pa, huwag ka magmadali, isipin mo kung anong gagawin mo, enjoy mo lang yung buhay mo, totoo yun. So makikinig tayo sa mga parents natin o sa nakakatanda sa atin. And half of my life kasama ko si Christine and before talagang sugod lang ng sugod. And hanggang ngayon naman sugod ng sugod with the guidance of Lord. And hindi tayo pinapabayaan at alam niya na ito ay para sa amin. Yeah, I'll be thankful for that. And wala lang, sineshare ko lang to sa inyo or sineshare ko lang sa sarili ko. Dahil it's weird na habang nagdadrive ako, there's things comes on my mind. So blessed right now. I'm so happy ko naman meron ngayon. And hindi pa dito natatapos. This is just only the beginning. Because next year we're trying to branch out. Kaya for now, we enjoy muna namin tong moment na to. And in time, darating din yung panahon na we have to give back naman sa family namin. Sa parents ko, sa parents ni Christine, sa mga kapatid niya. Continue pa rin yung support na binibigay nila sa amin and I can't wait na kami naman ibalik namin sa kanila. And yeah, we'll see from there. Just go with the flow. Let's have faith to the God, to the Lord that we have right now. And sabi ko nga, believe makes it possible, but faith makes it real. I'll see you later.
Hi guys! Kaliligo lang namin. Baby? Kaliligo lang po namin. Mommy is brushing my hair. Naka-on yung heater guys kasi kanina si Mickey naginginig pagkatapos niyang maligo. Suklay muna natin si Miss Beauty. Miss Beautiful. Nikki tulog. Ayun o, tulog. Sleeping. Ay, nagising na. Ayun yung heater o. Yun. Naka-on siya muna ngayon kasi nga medyo basa pa sila. Hey, baby girl. Hey, you. How are you? What's my baby girl? Bagong ligo ah. Mickey? Sleep ka? Mix.